In this video, we will show the best camera under 30,000 rupees in India 2020. At number 1, Nikon D3500 with AFPDX overall best pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Canon EOS 1500D runner-up pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Fujifilm X-A7 24.2 MP mirrorless camera best mirrorless camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Canon EOS 1500D value for money DSLR camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Nikon COOLPIX P950 best for long-distance photography. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.